My name is Karan Raj Mehta. I'm the founder and CEO of Milo Doctor. I'm 22-year-old and I completed my graduation in 2020 from IIT Sindri in civil engineering stream. Since my childhood, I was very much passionate in building things. I read Steve Jobs' biography in 2017, and since then I wanted to do something that brings positive changes into the society. Back in 2017, when I went to an orthopedic doctor with my grandmother, it took us 4 hours to get a 10-minute consultation with the doctor, and the whole waiting duration was really painful and frustrating. That day, I decided that I will do something to improve the healthcare scenario of the country. I started Milo Doctor with the aim to make healthcare more accessible for the people of Tier 2 and 3 cities of the country. In our journey in 2019, we got funded by Government of Jharkhand and were felicitated by the CM as well as senior government officials. I won various events including US Consulate General, business pitching competition, and pitched my startup idea into the Post Campus Tycoon. In 2020, after completing my graduation, in the middle of the pandemic, I'd worked for Byju's as BDA and put my all drawn salary into my startup. In November 2020, I met Mr. Akash Kishore, the director of Dhatu Online. He became our seed investor, and along with funding, he offered me to be on the board of directors of Dhatu Online. In India, there are 11,000 people depending on a single doctor, and states like Jharkhand, Bihar, and UP are the worst affected, where there are 20,000 people depending on a single doctor. So accessing a doctor is very much difficult for the people mostly from Tier 2 and 3 cities. And many a times people are unaware about the right treatment. I started Milo Doctor with the vision to make healthcare more accessible and bridge the gap between doctors and patients by bringing them on a common trusted platform. And along with that, educate the people about the right treatment. With our user-friendly app and website, we are operational in 5 cities with a team of 700 plus doctors and 40,000 users. Along with doctor consultation, we are also providing mental wellness to our users with the 50 best mental wellness experts of the country. And via our UFACT section, we are educating our users about personal health, COVID care, and COVID guidelines. We are completely different from any existing competitors as we are creating a marketplace and building an ecosystem between doctors and patients rather than selling a clinic management software. Now coming to the future plans. So we are going to include first-in-class services like emergency care, a SOS tab on our app which when pressed will alert all the nearby hospitals, and an express emergency healthcare service can be provided to the needy person. An integrated taxi service called UTaxi, which will provide taxi service along with the consultation so that people who are staying away from their wife, old parents can get assured that someone is there who will be taking care of their family, starting from booking an appointment and will be taking them from their home to the hospital and driving them back. An elderly care plan where we will be having a health and happiness executive who will be taking care of old age people who are living alone on their own and are in a need of personal care. It's all about my startup Milo Doctor. We are on a mission to make life easier for the people of country and create an ecosystem where we become synonym for quality healthcare services. Thank you.